Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to send an ACH payment with Chase in 2025. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. ACH payments are a secure way to transfer money electronically between banks, and with Chase's updated 2025 features, it's faster and more straightforward than ever. Whether you're paying a freelancer, settling bills, or sending money to family, this method is reliable and cost-effective. First things first, make sure you have the Chase mobile app or website ready. In 2025, Chase has enhanced its interface with biometric login for added security, so go ahead and open the app on your smartphone or log in via your computer. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Look for the Payments or Transfers tab. It's usually front and center for quick access. Next, select the ACH transfer option. Chase now has a dedicated section for this, labeled clearly as ACH EFT transfers. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details. This includes their bank's routing number, account number, and the amount you want to send. Double-check everything here because accuracy is key to avoid any delays or fees. After that, add a memo or reference if needed. It's optional but helpful for tracking. Then, review the transaction summary. Chase's 2025 updates include real-time verification, so you'll see estimated processing times right away. Once you're satisfied, hit Confirm and authenticate with your biometrics or security code. Processing times for ACH payments are typically 1 to 3 business days in 2025, thanks to faster networks, but always confirm with the recipient. If you run into any issues, like an invalid account number, Chase's AI chat support is there to help 24/7. And there you have it. That's how you send an ACH payment with Chase in 2025. It's simple, secure, and saves you time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more finance hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.